Hello students, today we are going to start the size of cation and anion. The size of cation is smaller than its parent because during removal of electron it is losing one electron. As a result, there will be less electron compared to proton, hence atomic radius will comparatively less than its parent. See, here electrons are there. तो इसमें क्या हो रहा है, साइज ऑफ कैटायन इज स्मॉलर देन इट्स पेरेंट. क्यों? बिकॉज फ्रॉम हियर दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन इज लूजिंग. इन केस ऑफ कैटायन इलेक्ट्रॉन इज लूज, दैट इज वाई दिस प्रोटॉन इट अट्रैक्ट्स टूवर्ड्स इटसेल्फ. दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन कम होंगे तो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स प्रोटॉन्स की तरह अट्रैक्ट होंगे और उसकी वजह से ये साइज small हो जाएगा. So there will be less electron compared to proton, hence the atomic radius will comparatively less than its parent. Size small हो जाएगा, electrons lose होगा तो protons अपने और electrons को attract करेगा. ज़्यादा electrons होंगे, more electrons, it cannot attract itself towards itself, and that is why they are smaller compared to its parent. And now see the case of anion. The size of anion is greater than its parent because it creates anionic character during the addition of electron. In this anion, electrons are added. As a result, there will be more electron population compared to the protons. ये प्रोटॉन रहेगा, प्रोटॉन से कंपेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ज़्यादा हो जाएंगे. तो प्रोटॉन हैव its tendency to accept itself, but more electrons are there, it cannot accept towards itself, right? Electron population compared to protons, the force of attraction will be more towards valence shell, hence the atomic radius will increase. Here attraction, it cannot attract towards itself, so what it will do, electrons will increase on the shell, and so the atomic radius increases. shell पे electrons increase होते जाएंगे और attract नहीं होंगे तो क्या होगा, atomic radius increase हो जाएगा, and with that there is an increase in a size. This was of cations and anions. Here definitions are there. Isotopes, isobar, the elements having same atomic number, means atomic number is always written at the bottom side and atomic mass is written at the upper side. Here you can see the same atomic number but different atomic weight is known as isotopes. See, हाइड्रोजन एग्जाम्पल लिया है, सबका सारे हाइड्रोजन का एटॉमिक नंबर 1 है बट मास इज डिफरेंट. 1 इट्स एटॉमिक नंबर इज 1, 2, here 3, and 1H1 is hydrogen, deuterium and tritium. Isobar, the element having same atomic weight but different atomic number is known as isobar. See this below, bottom one is atomic number. इस argon का क्या है atomic number 18 and potassium 19, but here mass is same, that is 40, that is isobar. Atomic number same but different, atomic number different but atomic mass same, that is isobar. And isotone means the element having same number of neutrons is known as isotone. In this, see 6C14, so 14 neutron plus proton, right? So if you want to find the neutron, how you will solve? Mass is 14, protons are 6, so you will solve neutron is equal to 14 minus 6, you will get the neutrons, right? 15 is the mass and the neutron plus proton, right? Neutron plus proton is equal to total mass होता है, that we know. तो न्यूट्रॉन फाइंड करना है, प्रोटॉन 7 गिवन है तो Hn फाइंड करेंगे. 15 minus 7, 8 will come. So in the three of them the neutrons are same, that is known as isotone. The elements having same number of neutrons is known as isotone. न्यूट्रॉन्स 8 आए, यहाँ पे भी 8 आए और इसको सॉल्व करने पे भी 8 न्यूट्रॉन्स आए, दैट इज आइसोटोन. आइसो इलेक्ट्रॉन, व्हाट इज देयर इन इट? द स्पीसीज हैविंग सेम नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन is known as isoelectron. In this, the electrons are same. That time we will call it as isoelectron. S block elements, the elements whose last electron is occupying s subshell or orbital is known as s block elements. Periodic table में first group देखोगे, that is s block element. Second group is also s block element. See this, calcium and potassium s block element में lie कर रहा है, that is why they are s block element. First group में lie होगा, that is s block element. And S is having tendency, S block is having only 2 groups because it has maximum, it can accommodate maximum 2 electrons. The valential electronic configuration of S block is ns122. S block, S subshell can accommodate only 1 and 2 subshells only maximum, where n is the number of shell. The S block elements are metallic in nature because it has tendency to lose an electron and create a positive charge on it. What this S block element is doing, it has a tendency to lose an electron. 1 है तो पूरे 7 गेन करेगा, तब जाके इसका ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट होगा. बेटर टू गेन द 7, it is better to lose 1 electron and form a positive charge, right? So S block element has a tendency to lose an electron. S block elements are involved in ionic bond formation. Because of losing an electron, it completes its octet. Octet complete करने के लिए 7 गेन करे, उससे बेटर है कि वो 1 लूज करके अपना ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट कर दे. टेंडेंसी, व्हाट इज द टेंडेंसी? ओनली टू कंप्लीट द ऑक्टेट, to become stable. The first group element are known as alkali metals because it gives oxide, react with water molecule, it gives a base. ये क्या है? S block का element. When treated with H2, it gives a base. NaOH. OH means base. The first group, ionization potential, electron affinity and electronegativity decreases down the group. This all thing we studied the definition, वही है ये. Decreases down the group because its atomic radius increases. Okay, further we will see next time. Thank you.